Imagine if you could be in two places at once or hold two completely different opinions simultaneously without conflict. Sounds impossible, right? In the strange world of quantum mechanics, this is very much a reality. Welcome to the concept of superposition. Quantum superposition is a fundamental principle of quantum mechanics that holds that a physical system, such as an electron, can exist in multiple states simultaneously. However, when we attempt to measure this system, we find it in one particular state. To understand this, consider a simple coin toss. With a regular coin, there are two possible outcomes: heads or tails. However, in the quantum world, before the coin lands, it's in a superposition of states, meaning it's both heads and tails at the same time. It's only when it lands that it becomes one or the other. This concept is not just limited to the quantum world, it also applies to light, which can behave as both a particle and a wave. This duality, known as wave-particle duality, is another example of superposition. Light doesn't decide to be a wave or a particle until we measure it. Superposition also underpins the world of quantum computing. Classical computers use bits that can be either a 0 or a 1. Quantum computers, on the other hand, use quantum bits or qubits, which thanks to superposition can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. This allows quantum computers to process a vast number of possibilities simultaneously, making them vastly more powerful than classical computers. It's important to note that superposition is not about a particle being in two places at once, but rather about the probability of finding it in one place or another. It's a bit like having a lottery ticket. Until the draw, you simultaneously have a losing ticket and a winning ticket. Only when the numbers are drawn does the ticket become a winner or a loser. In summary, superposition is a fundamental principle of quantum mechanics, enabling particles to exist in multiple states simultaneously. It underpins phenomena such as wave-particle duality and is integral to the functioning of quantum computers. Superposition isn't about a particle being in two places at once, but about the probability of finding it in one place or another. It challenges our everyday experiences and expectations, taking us into a world where things can be in many states at once, until we look. So the next time you flip a coin, remember that in the quantum world it's not just heads or tails, it's heads and tails at the same time until you look.